Well, guys, we are out here right outside of Amarillo, Texas, in Claude, Texas, and we are here for the Palo Duro Jeep Challenge with Jeep Exclusive. Really honored to be out here. It's going to be a great day. Got up, man, it's cold out here. You would think with the highs in the 90s during the day sometimes, it's pretty cold, like hoodie. I could probably put on some more layers, but it's awesome time out here, bright and early. And if Caitlin will turn around, it's flat. So where are we gonna go? Well, there's a canyon not too far that way. Well, guys, we got the new rig out here. So this is the first time for YouTube and pretty much everybody to see this new rig. Man, it's been a lot of work. So we've done Dana 60 in the front. We've done a Sterling in the rear, 538 gears, Adams drive shafts to match to help out everything. We've got KMC bead locks. We've got the Mickey Thompson Baja Bosses 40-inch tires, Rusty's complete long arm suspension kit. It's gonna flex out great. We've already tested it a little bit, and we've got the Rusty's tire carrier to hold that big old 40. And man, we're ready to go down in the canyon and slightly abuse it. I don't want to mess up all my hard work, but man, it's been a challenge, guys. Absolute challenge to actually do this full build, but we're gonna see if it's all been worth it.
One of our famous trail guides.
This is a private meeting. So guys, we're at the Figure 3 Ranch in Armstrong County, Texas, southeast of Amarillo, that is a part of the Palo Duro Canyon. Now, this is all privately owned land that we're on, over 7,000 acres. We're going to be riding on over 75 plus miles of trails, and there's over 80 plus obstacles within those trails, guys, and it is an absolute amazing time. We've been out here once for the Jeep Jamboree, and now we're at the Palo Duro Challenge. Can't wait. Let's go drop into the canyon, guys. Breakfast was amazing this morning. We're going to have to get y'all some shots for day 2 of them cooking. Really good breakfast, biscuits, eggs, orange juice, milk, awesome gravy. So it's been a good morning, and we're ready to go wheeling. So an approximate depth, you're going into the canyon roughly 800 to 1,000 feet, just depending on where you are. It's absolutely breathtaking, guys. But we were in the blue group with our good buddy Clayton, an absolute amazing time. Now, the blue group was on the easier side of beginner group, but guys, it was a great way to test out our new build on our Jeep with the 1 tons and 40s. A great way to, go out there, test it out, see what's going on with everything, and get all the bugs and kinks worked out. Great day on the trail.
I'm gonna get right here for a sec.
So the clip you're about to watch is a little TJ that could. Man, it was on the smallest set of tires that we had, and man, any obstacle, it was full send. Love watching it.
Stay more passenger then. There you go. Stay in it. 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 There you go. Yeah. There you go. Stay in it. Yeah. Stay in it. Stay in it. Yeah. Stay in it. You're clear.
Whoop. Trail stinker. Whoa.
Oh yeah. Yeah, thank you, sir. Go ahead and...
Yeah.
Road straight in the middle.
So guys, this was an optional line that I took. It's the hardest part of the three, and it definitely threw me for a little bit of a loop. I had done it before out on the Jamboree, so I knew a little bit of the line, but good buddy Braden was able to get me up and over.
Like he's done it before. Check that out. Coming straight. Come one more time.
There you go.
It's coming. It's coming. That's a tough one.
That's it.
Shout out to Caitlin for really getting in there and getting in the driver's seat and getting up and over this obstacle. Here you go.
That works.
You're good. Come on, Caleb.
Nice and easy. You're good, Kate. Little driver. There you go. The first scratches on the diff cover, baby, and the long arm kit. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Look at it. Nice driving.
Man, not bad for open front range. So.
Passenger, 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 straight. You're good. There you go.
Good job.
Driver, right there. All right, a little passenger. Keep coming. There you go, perfect. You're fine. You're fine. Stay straight. You're good. All right, now hard driver. You're good. You're good. Maybe a little driver. Easy. Perfect.
Hard if you can. You're okay. Come on.
I'm gonna get her to come up and over it.
Yeah.
You're fine. Perfect. Doing good.
So getting out of the canyon is kind of a challenge, but super fun. So it was really sandy and dusty and everything else. So you're watching where you're going because there's a sure drop off to your left and it's just full send to the top. But guys, we had a great first day out in Blue Group. Man, we can't thank the trail guides enough. We can't thank all of the people that made this event happen. It was a super awesome first day and can't wait to show you for the second day. So you're definitely going to want to hit that subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment, and hit that bell for notifications. Guys, and the food was absolutely amazing.